The wait is finally over for Samsung's first non-flagship 5G smartphone. As the name suggests, the Galaxy A90 5G is that device. Samsung has unveiled the handset today and will start selling it in South Korea starting tomorrow. Full Galaxy A90 5G specs. You'll notice the device's 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity U display right off the bat. There's a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor under the hood. Samsung will offer this device with 6GB and 8GB RAM options coupled with 128GB of internal storage in a microSD card slot. Take a look at the graphic down below to check out the full Galaxy A90 5G specs. It comes with the 4500 mAh battery and 25 watts super fast charging. Some had expected it to feature 45 watts charging as the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, but that's not present on the handset. Coming to the cameras, the Galaxy A90 5G triple rear camera setup will consist of a main 48-megapixel main Sony IMX586 sensor, another 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle sensor and a 5-megapixel depth sensing camera as well. Up front, there is a 32-megapixel selfie camera for selfies and video calling. Samsung hasn't said as yet when it's going to bring this handset to other markets where 5G has gone live. The United States is one of them. The Galaxy A90 5G is first going to be released in South Korea tomorrow. Pricing will be confirmed in the very near future.